Hey, it is your girl Happy Teach here with another quick tutorial. So, Photoshop had a few updates. Now everybody is talking about the generative fill. However, they had some updates in the regular app, and one of the updates is the one we're going to talk about today, which is the adjustment presets. What? So awesome. So, here I am, not sharing my screen. Let me share my screen for you so you can see what I'm trying to show you today, right? All right, so let me go ahead and share screen. Let me share the right one. All right, so now you should see by my screen. And of course, I was working with Firefly, Adobe Firefly, which is Adobe's AI app, and we'll talk about that in other videos, but it is amazing and it created this image. So with this image, just the one that I'm going to use to show you what to show you the adjustment preset. So I'm going to go up here to window because mine isn't showing. So if yours isn't showing, go to window and let's go down to adjustments. Click on that and you're going to get your adjustment panel. Nothing new there, but what is new are these presets. So what's cool is you can just hover over a preset and look at it change. These are the new presets. Check that out, right? So you can just really just hover over and get some presets. So if you wanted to play with these landscape, because there's just all these different ones. If you wanted to do, photo repair, you can click and see all these different ones. But anyway, there are a lot of cinematic. Let's check that out. So if you want to go cinematic, check out some of these. So dramatic. All right. How crazy cool is that? So those are the adjustment presets, super easy, super quick, but if you don't know that they're there, you'll never play with them. So I, for one, could not have that happen. I wanted to make sure that you knew that these exist. So that is pretty much it. That's the video. And once you find one you like, you just click it, and then you have that preset, and you're gonna see in your layers panel, it show up. You have the layer, you have the background layer. I always throw that one away, but anyway, you have the layer, and then you have it show up in these layers. So if you look closely at this, you can see that the vibrance was used, and so was the creative color pop. Those are the two that were used to create this together. And if you don't like it, you turn one off. You turn one off, or whatever flips your boat. You can still play with the opacity. You can still play with the blend mode. If you had another photo underneath that you wanted to, just to interact with, so you still have total control. But that is just super awesome, and I just wanted to show you that because it is so cool. Okay, now you can go back to doing what you were doing. So until next video, if you like it, please like, subscribe, share, comment. All of that helps me out with YouTube. So help a sister out. All right. Otherwise, that is our video for the day. Until next video, ta-ta for now. Ta-ta, ta-ta, ta-ta.